Okay, so Emma wanted an update on what was going on with Shawn Cook's meth case, and I haven't checked his case in a while, so I thought that would be a good video to do. In June 2014, Shawn is charged with one count of possession of crystal meth. 2 weeks later, the case gets nolle prosecuted, and for the reason of it required additional investigation. Now then, after the nolle, there's no updates about the meth case. However, in September 2015, we get an update in the news that explains what happened with his meth case. Quote, Lancaster, a man accused of being disruptive and belligerent Fairfield County Juvenile Court during his son's drug trafficking hearing, was barred from the courtroom and later shot twice by law enforcement. So Shawn himself did not get charged for the meth after the nolle. It was Shawn's son who got charged with trafficking methamphetamine. Now, because his son was a minor at the time that he was charged, his case is being held at juvenile court, and juvenile court records are sealed. There's no way for me to look up what happened with that case. However, I can do one better. In January 2016, after speaking with Carl Lentz about getting his meth back from the cops, Shawn Cook filed a claim at the Fairfield County Municipal Court, quote, saying, quote, I, brackets, a man, said claimant saith upon this day, that said wrongdoer did trespass and rob I of my property. I will charge wrongdoer $1, blah, blah, blah. A standard Carl Lentz style claim in order to get his meth back from the cops. Now, as you can probably imagine, Shawn's case was dismissed, quote, for the reason that $1 per second exceeds the limit, the jurisdictional limit of a small claims court. You can't have... You can't file cases for more than $3,000 in small claims court. That's why the case was dismissed. He also filed a second Carl Lentz style claim roughly around the same time. As you can imagine, that was also dismissed. So to summarize, Carl's comment about Shawn being frustrated by his case going poorly was probably a reference to the civil claims that Shawn filed to try and get his methamphetamine back, or probably his son's methamphetamine back, or a reference to his son's trafficking case going poorly. And so, yeah, to summarize, Shawn tried the Carl Lentz method textbook, as you can see in the paperwork, and it did not work. Not because he did it wrong, but because the method simply does not work. You cannot file claims for millions of dollars in small claims court. Of course, this is something Carl would know if he had any legal training or experience. And of course, you cannot get your drugs back from the cops if you've been arrested, or even if you're falsely arrested, they don't give you your drugs back. It's crystal meth, I think they burn it.